UAV. These things are going to be pretty handy. You got some small quads in your life, and you've got nowhere to put them. And this is probably the case for you. The UAV. Let's check it out. Welcome back, gang. Link down below as always. This is how you will receive your UAV parcel. Comes nicely wrapped up in a plastic bag. So yeah, measuring in at 7 inches by 6.5 inches. And carry case included, carry handle strap included as well. A pair of nice sturdy zips. And you've got yourself a little pouch at the top here if you wish to put some spare parts or whatever in. It does come with some foam which you can leave in or take out depending on what you're putting in here. Myself, I'm actually using it for the Larva X here, one of these, so I've actually modified the foam inside one of these, and yeah, that just allows the Larva X just to be squished in there nicely so that it will give it plenty of protection when you're going from A to B in the field. So that's really handy. Really cheap too, guys. If you look to the link, you'll see they're only about 12, 13, 14 bucks. And if you can find yourself a coupon, which shouldn't be too far away in those links below, then you'll get it even cheaper. So the box itself weighs in at a grand total of 182 grams even. Nice little addition, nice and cheap. As I said, you can pull that out depending on what you want to put in here and how you want to put it in there, so that's pretty cool. Can't go wrong. UAV. Check it out. Beauty. Also, while we're here, another thing I grabbed recently was a 50 piece bag of little spongy, funny looking things. So what are these? These are little feet. So you guys out there have got some fairly hefty units and you're worried that when you land it on the bitumen you're going to smash your frame up a bit or scratch, etc. So what you do with these is you peel them off. Super sticky, reasonably close to 3M stickiness, so the grade's really good. They're quite a solid sponge, so they're not too soft. So what you can do is just stick them on the base of your quad there, so that as you can see when it lands it's going to have a nice soft landing, so you're not going to scratch or damage the base or anything around the base of the unit, which is pretty cool. Again, guys, check these out in the link below. They're pretty cheap, and as I said, you get 50 in the bag, so it's going to last me ages. I've already stuck 4 on here. I've used it, and yeah, they're certainly not going to fall off, so just what the doctor ordered. Good stuff. Yeah, just a quick review of a couple of things I've got. Plenty more to come, guys. Coming up next is my VTX mod for the Hawker Pro. That's coming up next. Drop me a comment, thumbs up. See you soon in the sky. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.